The lights on. Starter holding them. Racing. Sunline away brilliantly. Maccabi Diva and Lonro settling towards the tail. Black Caviar up in a prominent place, trailing the leader. Here's a move, Northerly striding quickly to get up on the pace with Sunline. Might and Power, So You Think, moved up wide and keep it busy on the speed. Black Caviar travelling sweetly, showing no signs of that early pressure. Manicato right there on the speed as well. He loves the heat, the great champ. Winks biding her time off this frantic early speed. She's also travelling well. The sparks about to fly, the pressure continuing to build. Better loosen up a long way back on the rail. Kingston Town and Campaign King are wide out. Bone Crusher makes his move down the Queen's Avenue side. Here's Maccabi Diva and Saintly, they're a long way off. Lonro will have to put in a huge performance to win. He's back and wide. They sweep for home. The Caulfield Cup hero Might and Power makes a bold bid for victory. Sunline Northerly